Summer in the forest was sunny and warm. Every day, Fennec Fox ran around and played with his friends. But soon the sun began to hide behind the clouds more often. Leaves and grass faded from green to yellow. Autumn arrived in the forest. It became colder. Strong winds started to blow. The rains began. One cold day, Fennec Fox was walking through the woods. It was quiet. All the animals were preparing for winter. Suddenly, a drop fell on Fennec Fox's nose. Then another one, and another, as it began to rain.
I better take shelter from the rain as to not get wet and catch a cold. The rain has found me again. It's better for me to find another place. Oh, there's a puddle. My feet are wet. I'd better find another place. My tail is wet. I'd better find another place.
Alas, Fennec Fox wasn't able to hide from the rain. By the time it stopped, Fennec Fox didn't have a dry hair on his head and was quite cold. Suddenly, Hedgehog came out into the path.
Hi, Hedgehog. What are you doing?
Hi, Fennec Fox. I'm looking for dry leaves to keep my burrow warm for winter.
Hey, Hedgehog, will you play with me? I just feel very cold and want to warm up.
Oh, Fennec Fox, I'd love to, but I still have to store my food. I hear that winter will be very cold this year. And Hedgehog walked on, shuffling leaves along his way.
And what about me? How am I going to make it through winter? I have nowhere to live. What should I do? Hibernate and sleep through winter. But where will I stay? I don't even have a sleeping bag. Fly south? But I have no wings. Build a house. That's right. You can wait out winter in a house. But how can I build one? Maybe my friends will help me.
And with this idea, Fennec Fox ran to look for his friends. The first friend Fennec Fox ran into was Beetle.
Hi, Fennec Fox. Why so sad?
Hi, Beetle. Winter is coming, but I have no house to wait it out in. Do you know how to build one?
Sure I do. You can build a house with rocks. Pile them up and you'll have a very good shelter to protect you from rain and snow.
Thank you, Beetle. I'll go look for rocks.
Look, Fennec Fox, there's a pile of rocks right there. Try to put them on top of each other. Let's add some more rocks. Good, good, very good. Let's add some more rocks. Still have to add the roof. Fennec Fox, you're a real builder indeed. Come on, let's check it out. Get in first.
Fennec Fox tried to go inside the house, but found out that he couldn't fit.
Let's try another way. Oh no, my house fell to pieces.
Oh, Fennec Fox, the house turned out to be too small for you. It seems that I couldn't help you.
It's okay, but I've learned that foxes can't live under rocks.
You know, there's a beaver who lives by the river. Beavers are well-known builders. Why don't you ask him for advice?
Thank you, Beetle. I'll go and find Beaver.
Fennec Fox went on his way, out on the riverbank, to near the beaver's dam.
I don't see anyone around. Where could Beaver be?
Who's there?
Hi, Beaver. It's me, Fennec Fox.
Hi, Fennec Fox. Are you looking for me?
Yes, I am. I want to build a house to wait out the winter. And I wanted to ask for your advice because you're a well-known builder.
Yes, it's true. I can help you. First, you need to clear some space. Good, but there's still too many sticks. Excellent. Now gather sticks and twigs and use them to build the lodge on the bank. Gather some more. Let's add more sticks. Well done, great job. Get in the lodge and you'll see how warm it is inside.
But Beaver, the entrance is underwater, and I can't swim.
Oh, I didn't think about that. I've never made doors on dry land. Sorry, Fennec Fox.
Well, it seems that I have to build another house, since foxes can't live in beaver lodges.